Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for regular beauty updates. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be creating this makeup look. It is soft smoky eye makeup look and it is also going to be a one brand tutorial. I have used only NYX professional makeup products to create this look. First of all, I am using Total Contour Drop Primer. It makes your skin soft and smooth and gives you matte finish. Moving on, I am using Total Control Drop Foundation and this is one of my favorite foundations. I am using brush to blend this foundation because it is quite liquidy. I would suggest you to use brush instead of beauty blender to blend this properly. Now I am taking Total Contour Drop Foundation's lighter color to highlight my face. I am blending it into my skin with the help of Makeup Perfector. For face contour, I am using this Wonder Stick. I am using this darker shade to contour my face. Again, using the same sponge, I am blending my face contour and I am really loving how my base makeup turned out. Now I will take NYX Professional Makeup's Micro Contour Pencil. This is their new launch and I am going to use this for my nose contour. By nose contouring, you can achieve your perfect nose shape. It can make your nose look thinner and sharper. I'm blending it very nicely with the help of Makeup Perfector. It works great for nose and lip contour. I'm going to use NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream and this is in the shade of Beijing. I really like this soft matte lip cream. It is really hydrating and it gives really nice texture. For eye makeup, I am using this Soft and Rosy palette from NYX Professional Makeup. I am taking this matte shade for my crease line. Now I am blending it very smoothly into my crease line. So we have smooth transition. Next I am taking this cranberry kind of shade and I am going to use it on my eyelid. And again I am blending it very nicely. Now I am taking this dark grey kind of shade and using it on all over my eyelid. Next I am taking this light shimmery shade. I am applying it only on my eyelid and avoiding it into my crease line. Now I am going to take this lightest shade from this palette and I am applying it under my eyebrows and in inner corners of my eyes. I am taking these two shades and using it on my lower lash line for soft and smoky look. Moving on to mascara, I am using this Worth the Hype mascara and this is totally worth the hype guys. Use it to believe it. It gives nice length and volume to your lashes. I am using it on my top and bottom lashes. Now I am applying eyeliner to finish my eye makeup. I am creating a small winged liner today and I am also using a same liner in my lower lash line. For blush, I am using this ombre blush today and I am using really soft handed because I don't want too much colors on my cheeks for this look. I'm using the lightest shade of soft and rosy palette to highlight my face. With the help of my finger, I'm applying little bit on my nose and on my cheekbones. This is really nice highlighting shade. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.